11. Solve the equations x minus y by 5 is equal to 6. Equation 1. Y minus z by 7 is equal to 8. Equation 2. Z minus x by 2 is equal to 10. Equation 3. From equation 1, 5x minus y is equal to 30. Equation 4. And from equation 2, 7y minus z is equal to 56. Equation 5. From equation 3, 2z minus x is equal to 20. Equation 6. Multiplying equation 4 by 7 and equation 5 by 1, we have 35x minus 7y is equal to 210 and 7y minus z is equal to 56. Adding 35x minus z is equal to 266. Equation 7. Multiplying equation 6 by 1 and equation 7 by 2, we have 2z minus x is equal to 20 and 70x minus 2z is equal to 532. Adding 69x is equal to 552, or x is equal to 552 by 69 is equal to 8. Putting the value of x in equation 6, we have 2z minus 8 is equal to 20, or 2z is equal to 20 plus 8 is equal to 28, or z is equal to 28 by 2 is equal to 14. Now putting the value of x in equation 4, we have 40 minus y is equal to 30, or minus y is equal to 30 minus 40 is equal to minus 10, minus minus plus. So x is equal to 8, y is equal to 10 and z is equal to 14. Answer.